yabong ko ulit. Pinag-ingatan ko ulit. Tinalikdan ko ang kislap ng mga ilaw, ang mga hiyaw ng mga babae. Totoo naman di ba? Pag nakakita kayong artista, kinikilig kayo. But it gives you certain level of feeling, of joy. And here we are, tatalikdan mo yon, tatalikuran mo yon, and you're gonna face sorrow, hardship, stories of people you're going to deal with every day. But again and again, I tried my best. So I want them to stop. Those individual who happen to have, may mga magagandang edukasyon sa katawan. Bumalik naman ako ng eskwelahan. Maraming salamat kay dating Vice Mayor Danny Lacuna. Our Vice Mayor, who is the father of incumbent Vice Mayor Hanny Lacuna, hinikayat niya ako mag-aral at awa naman ng Diyos, ako'y nakapagtapos na. Ako po'y may diploma na, hindi lang gawang rekto, gawang Makati pa. At nakahiligan ko mag-aral. Went to Arellano School of Law. Then, fortunately, again and again, one day, I received a letter from the U.S. State Department. Ito in passing lang. Sabi ko sa inyo, magpursige kayo. People will notice. Tama. I received a letter that I'm going to be sent to Washington. Napili daw ako. In fact, nung tinanggap ko yung pinasosoli ko kay Weng, sabi ko, Weng, soli mo, mali ng address to. Papag-aralin ako sa Amerika, sama-sama ng grammar ko. Talaga naman. Magpasa hanggang ngayon, nagkakamali pa rin ako. I really tried, educating or keep on learning things. Kaya pag nag-English ako, then I approached and visited the Chief Cultural Affairs of the U.S. Embassy, and it's confirmed I was chosen to be sent there. And I saw the opportunity to go further with regard to knowledge and governance. Then, nung ako'y nakapagtapos doon, itong Harvard, nag-o-offer ng short program